Okay, so you really can't miss it, can you? AI is just, well, it's everywhere in business now. And I know for a lot of you listening, it brings up some mixed feelings. There's excitement, definitely, but also, a bit of worry.
Yeah, that's understandable.
You hear these stories, right? AI doing marketing strategy, AI digging through data, writing copy, even handling legal stuff. So it's totally natural to think, hang on, am I about to be replaced?
Hmm.
Or, is my whole business model just going to vanish?
But that fear, it's incredibly real. And the headlines certainly don't help sometimes. But if you look at what our sources are showing, the bigger picture is actually, well, it's much more positive. Empowering even. AI isn't really this competitor trying to steal your job. Honestly, when you use it right, it's one of the best allies you can have, super capable, and surprisingly cost-effective too.
Exactly. So the real question isn't if AI is here to stay, it clearly is. It's how. How do you take